Hi fams, welcome back to another video on the NeTech channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to manage devices that are connected to your Google account. Now, to get started, you'd want to search for a Google account devices, and then we're going to click on the first result right there. Let's just maximize the screen for better view. Right, so the next thing is to connect to your Google account. So once you're signed in, you should be able to see all the devices that are connected to your Google account. Now you can see this note that says you're signed in on these devices or have been in the last 28 days. There might be multiple activity sessions from the same device. So what you want to do is to review the list of devices that are connected to your account. There are two sections. The first one is the Windows devices that are connected to your Google account, and the second section is a list of Android devices or mobile devices that are connected to your Google account. So you can review each of these devices, and if there are any of these that you do not recognize, you'd want to just click on them and you can sign out of such device. So guys, that's how to see all the devices that are connected to your account, and you can review each of those devices and sign out from any of the devices. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.